In the vast expanse of our solar system, a single mission stands as a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, the Cassini-Huygens mission. This ambitious endeavor, a collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Italian Space Agency, set its sights on the majestic ringed planet, Saturn. Launched in 1997, Cassini embarked on an epic journey spanning billions of miles and 7 long years. Its destination, the Saturnian system, a realm of gas giants, icy moons, and enigmatic rings. Cassini carried with it the hopes and dreams of countless scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts worldwide, all eager to unravel the mysteries shrouding this distant world. The mission's namesake, Giovanni Domenico Cassini, was an Italian astronomer who made groundbreaking discoveries about Saturn in the 17th century. He was the first to observe the division in Saturn's rings, now known as the Cassini division. Centuries later, the Cassini spacecraft would honor its namesake by revealing these rings in unprecedented detail. Cassini's mission was not just about reaching Saturn, it was about exploring a world vastly different from our own. It was about understanding the processes that shaped our solar system and searching for the building blocks of life in the most unexpected of places. On a clear October morning in 1997, a Titan IVB Centaur rocket roared to life, carrying the Cassini spacecraft and its companion, the Huygens probe, into the Florida sky. This was no ordinary launch. It marked the beginning of a journey that would redefine our understanding of the outer solar system. Cassini's trajectory to Saturn was a marvel of celestial mechanics. To reach its distant target, the spacecraft couldn't simply be aimed at Saturn and launched. Instead, it embarked on a series of gravity-assist maneuvers utilizing the gravitational pull of Venus, Earth, and Jupiter to gain speed and alter its course. These planetary flybys were critical to the mission's success. Like a cosmic slingshot, each encounter propelled Cassini further outward, saving precious fuel and shortening the overall travel time. Imagine the journey, a 7-year odyssey across the vastness of space. Cassini traversed the asteroid belt, a region littered with remnants from the solar system's formation. It endured the harsh radiation of Jupiter's magnetosphere, all the while collecting data and transmitting it back to Earth. After a journey of over 1 billion miles, Cassini finally reached its destination on July 1, 2004, becoming the first spacecraft to orbit Saturn. The moment of arrival was met with both excitement and relief at Mission Control, as the spacecraft successfully executed a daring maneuver to insert itself into Saturn's orbit. Upon arrival, Cassini wasted no time in getting to work. Its cameras and instruments were trained on Saturn, its rings, and its many moons. What the spacecraft revealed was nothing short of breathtaking. Saturn, a gas giant composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, is a world of swirling storms and unimaginable beauty. Cassini captured images of storms raging across Saturn's atmosphere, some larger than Earth itself. It observed the intricate details of the planet's rings, revealing them to be composed of countless icy particles, ranging in size from tiny grains to massive boulders. The spacecraft also provided the first detailed views of Saturn's poles, revealing a strange hexagonal-shaped jet stream swirling around the North Pole. This bizarre atmospheric feature, unlike anything seen elsewhere in the solar system, continues to puzzle scientists to this day. Saturn's rings are arguably its most iconic feature, and Cassini had a front-row seat to study them in unprecedented detail. The spacecraft's instruments pierced the veil of mystery surrounding these celestial rings, revealing their true nature and complexity. Far from being static and unchanging, Cassini showed us that Saturn's rings are dynamic and ever-evolving. The spacecraft observed waves and ripples propagating through the rings, caused by the gravitational influence of Saturn's moons. Cassini's cameras captured images of shepherd moons, small moons that orbit within or near the edges of the rings, their gravity helping to sculpt and maintain these delicate structures. It witnessed the birth of moonlets within the rings, further evidence of the dynamic processes at play. The spacecraft's observations also revealed the presence of spokes, transient radial features in Saturn's B ring that rotate along with the planet's magnetic field. The exact nature and origin of these spokes remain a mystery, but Cassini's data continues to provide clues. Among Saturn's many moons, Titan stands out as a world of both familiarity and alien wonder. Larger than the planet Mercury, Titan is the only moon in our solar system known to possess a dense atmosphere. Cassini carried with it the Huygens probe, specifically designed to study Titan. On January 14, 2005, Huygens made a historic descent through Titan's thick atmosphere, becoming the first human-made object to land on a world in the outer solar system. What Huygens revealed was a landscape both familiar and strange. It found evidence of rivers, lakes, and seas on Titan's surface, but instead of water, these bodies of liquid were filled with methane and ethane, hydrocarbons that exist as gases on Earth. Cassini's observations of Titan revealed a world shrouded in a thick, hazy atmosphere, obscuring its surface from view. However, using radar and infrared instruments, the spacecraft was able to pierce this veil, revealing a landscape shaped by wind, rain, and erosion, much like Earth. Another of Saturn's moons, Enceladus, captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike with its surprising activity and potential for harboring life. Cassini's instruments detected plumes of water vapor and ice particles erupting from Enceladus's south polar region, spewing out into space and forming one of Saturn's faint rings. These plumes, originating from a subsurface ocean of liquid water, hinted at the possibility of hydrothermal vents on Enceladus's seafloor. On Earth, hydrothermal vents are known to support thriving ecosystems, even in the absence of sunlight. The discovery of similar conditions on Enceladus raised the tantalizing possibility that life, in some form, might exist beneath the icy shell of this distant moon. Cassini flew through Enceladus's plumes on several occasions, sampling their chemical makeup. The spacecraft detected organic molecules, salts, and silica dust, further supporting the idea that Enceladus's ocean could be a habitable environment. After 13 years of groundbreaking discoveries, Cassini's fuel reserves were dwindling. Rather than letting the spacecraft drift silently through space, NASA devised a daring plan for its final act, the grand finale. Beginning in April 2017, Cassini embarked on a series of 22 close orbits of Saturn, threading the gap between the planet and its innermost ring. These daring dives provided unprecedented views of Saturn's atmosphere and allowed scientists to study the planet's gravity and magnetic fields in detail. On September 15, 2017, Cassini made its final plunge into Saturn's atmosphere. The spacecraft continued to transmit data until the very end, its signal disappearing as it succumbed to the planet's crushing pressure and heat. Cassini's grand finale was a bittersweet moment, marking the end of an era in space exploration. However, the spacecraft's legacy lives on in the wealth of data it collected, providing scientists with years, if not decades, of further study. The Cassini-Huygens mission stands as one of the most successful and awe-inspiring space exploration endeavors in human history. Its discoveries have revolutionized our understanding of Saturn, its rings, and its moons, revealing a system of breathtaking beauty and scientific wonder. Cassini's legacy extends far beyond the scientific community. The mission has inspired generations with its stunning images, groundbreaking discoveries, and audacious spirit of exploration. It has shown us the power of human ingenuity and collaboration to achieve the seemingly impossible. As we look back on Cassini's journey, we are reminded of the vastness of the universe and the countless mysteries that still await our discovery. Cassini has shown us that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey worth taking, and that even in the face of the unknown, the human spirit of exploration will continue to soar.